everyone, welcome back to the OAT. I'm Catherine, and today I'm going to read this lovely winter poem. It was written originally in 1805. Wow, it's so old! It's called The North Wind Doth Blow. Get comfy, snuggle up with a blanket, and let's read our poem together. The north wind doth blow, and we shall have snow. And what will the robin do then, poor thing? He'll sit in a barn and keep himself warm, and hide his head under his wing, poor thing. The north wind doth blow, and we shall have snow. And what will the swallow do then, poor thing? Oh, do you not know that he's off long ago to a country where he will find spring, poor thing? The north wind doth blow, and we shall have snow. And what will the dormouse do then, poor thing? Rolled up like a ball, in his nest snug and small, he'll sleep till warm weather comes in, poor thing. The north wind doth blow, and we shall have snow. And what will the honeybee do then, poor thing? In his hive he will stay till the cold is away, and then he'll come out in the spring, poor thing. The north wind doth blow, and we shall have snow. And what will the children do then, poor things? When lessons are done, they will skip, jump and run until they have made themselves warm, poor things. I really hope you enjoyed today's poem. The end. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye, friends.